It's a good idea. Alright. You want to go now and enjoy your ride?
Thank you.
Nice ride.
You okay? You good?
This is scary.
No, it ain't.
These bugs are having me.
That fly's gonna ride it with us, ain't it? This is so cool, man.
Yeah.
Remember, try to keep your head a little bit. You're good right now. We just want to make sure we can get it all in the video. Okay?
Okay.
You hold on. You hold on to that hat, man. Okay?
I am.
Hey, hold on to it like this. Just make sure. Yeah, make sure you hold on to it like that. Man, we're gonna have so much fun.
It takes. It ends at 100 feet.
We ought to get up here and wait on Mommy and them. What do you think?
Yeah. Oh God.
You're good. You're good. All right. There's the brakes. You ready? Here we go. Oh boy! Woo! Oh man! You want me to slow down and wait on them?
No.
You want me to take off? Get that curve off full speed. Dude, that was fast, wasn't it?
It's fun. They got a long way.
We still got some track left.
They say the campers.
You want to wait on Mommy a minute?
No.
Want me to take off?
Yeah, I like them fast.
All right. Full speed to the end, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
Oh,
Lean back a little bit. There you go.
oh, we got a ride.
Hold on. Full speed. No brakes. Look at her, Sissy. Hi, Sissy.
You want to do it again?
That'll be it, man. That's it, bud. Uh-oh.
Oh, go for it.
How was it, man?
Great, man. Thank you.
Awesome.
All right.
I see him too.
I heard Tucker laughing. Listen to Tucker laughing.
Scared sissy.
Ah, sissy!
You want to do it again? Why?
Hold on, here we go, Daze.
It's fun.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
You want to go fast or slow?
No. I'm gonna go faster. With my way.
Oh my god, this thing's really getting hot. Are you scared? Get your hands in there. Here we go, here we go. Whoa! Get your hands in. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god, here we go, here we go. Here we go. Hi, Sissy.
Look, mommy. Look, mommy. Mommy and Tay Tay, look her. Look her. She's video. Look her. Look. Who's that? Who's that?
Hi, Sissy.
Dude, what'd you think about that?
I want to do it with
Did you like it?
I want to do it with you. So, Mommy, Daddy, we went full speed to the end. Me and Dad did it, not Daddy. Papa, we went full speed back.
Y'all could do this fun. You can draw faster though. We heard him giggling.
Uh-oh. Hi, Sissy.
You want to do it?
Yeah, I want to do it again.
Tay wants to do it again.
What do you think about Mommy?
It was fun. It really books it, don't it?
Yeah, boy.
Video it?
Yeah, I had my GoPro.
I videoed y'all coming through here.
We slowed down. I seen you standing there. I said, let's slow down for Mama and Papa. Let's wave at Sissy here. So, do you like it, Kendra?
I could hear Tucker giggling up in here.
I asked him, I said,
He was
you
just
can listen to it in the video. I said, do you want to slow down for Mommy? No, let's go.
I asked Tatum, I said, you want to go fast or slow? And he said, slow. And I let it go fast. He was going too fast, too fast.
Man, me and Tucker was booking at what we Tucker. Right? Hey, Tucker.
That was fun.
Tatum.
Have fun, Bobby?
Hey, man, what a way to wake up from a nap, man, to a mountain coaster.
Right.
What, say